Hello, I'm Jack Phillips. I'm chairman of the ROI Institute.
And I'm Patty Phillips, CEO of ROI Institute.
Hey, we want to discuss an opportunity for you in your neighborhood. It's November the 6th to the 10th. We're offering the ROI certification. Hey, this is a comprehensive process for you to learn how to measure the success of any project or program. Measuring success all the way to ROI. It works. It's the most used evaluation system in the world, and we can teach you how to do that. Now, if you're not quite ready for it, you don't think you can make a commitment to come to this program, we've got a couple of webinars coming up that's going to show you more detail. The first one is, why is this even necessary? Why is it needed? How does it work? And the second one gets a little more detail about the process. So that should give you more detail to make this decision to come or not.
For those of you who need more convincing that the ROI methodology is for you, we have a series of workshops taking place the same week as ROI certification. That's November 6th through November 10th. We have our demonstrating ROI in leadership development. We have a program on measuring ROI in employee engagement, and one that shows you how to demonstrate the ROI in coaching. We're also offering our new content around our new book, Show the Value of What You Do, where we talk about the ROI methodology across a broad range of programs, projects, and initiatives. We will also have a program just on ROI for HR. So again, if you need a little more convincing than a webinar, but you're not yet certain you want to go to ROI certification, consider joining us for one of our one-day workshops during the same week, again, November 6th through 10th.
Even if you're coming, you might want to send some other team members to the one-day workshops, because they will be able to support you in the implementation of this. So think about having this capability. Essentially, this is the issue. If you want to know how to actually do those studies, come to complete certification. If you need to get more support for what you're doing, have other people go to those other workshops.
So we hope to see you November 6th through 10th, either for ROI certification or for one of the one-day workshops. And again, if you're just not exactly sure you want to do either, join us for an upcoming webinar where you'll learn more about the ROI methodology.